Samsung has just unveiled not one, not two, not three, but four smartphones: the Galaxy S10, the Galaxy S10 Plus, the Galaxy S10e, and the Galaxy S10 5G edition. Also, the Galaxy S10 Plus Performance Edition has premium ceramic body and top-of-the-line specs that include up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage, and up to 512 GB of storage via the microSD card slot, and you're looking at a 1.5 TB phone. The Galaxy S10 5G edition will come out sometime in the summer. It will have a 6.7-inch display, 3D depth camera, and a massive 4500 mAh battery, among other flagship-grade specifications. I have to say that all phones look familiar as they follow Samsung's design language, but there are a few differences like the punch hole design for the front-facing cameras. The regular S10 and the S10e have one, whereas the S10 Plus has two selfie cameras. All new Galaxy phones will have ultra-wide cameras in addition to the regular shooter on the S10e, and regular and telephoto cameras on the S10 and the S10 Plus. In other words, the S10 and the S10 Plus will have 3 cameras on the back, whereas the S10e will have 2. I need to spend more time with these new phones to test the super steady video feature and see how the camera performs in real life, as it now uses an upgraded scene optimizer that can recognize up to 30 different scenes. In the hand, all new Galaxies look premium, shiny, and expensive. My favorite is, of course, top-of-the-line S10 Plus Ceramic Edition and has a tack-sharp 6.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED Plus display. I also love a more compact S10 as it sits nicely in the hand due to its smaller 6.1 inches panel. The new Infinity O displays are just gorgeous and easily one of the best we've seen on any smartphone. The key specs of the panels include HDR10 Plus compliance and up to 1200 nits of brightness, making daylight visibility a breeze. Further, the displays will have improved color accuracy and advanced blue light filter. The S10e is the most compact model thanks to its 5.8 inches display. In addition, it's the only new Galaxy phone that has a flat panel, whereas other Samsungs have signature curved screens. Another key feature, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that I can't wait to test in my full review. Subscribe to the Tech Line so you don't miss my in-depth coverage on the new Galaxy smartphones. In addition to upgraded wireless charging speeds, Samsung unveiled wireless power share feature, which is a fancy marketing name for reverse wireless charging we've seen on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. As you may expect from Samsung, you will get one of the best and most powerful processors available. Samsung promises AI-powered performance, faster app launch, Bixby routines, and adaptive power. Furthermore, the new Galaxy phones are set to offer improved gaming experience thanks to vapor chamber design, Dolby Atmos for gaming, and improved latency times. You will also get improved Wi-Fi, LTE speeds, IP68 water resistance, and other features that I will cover in detail in my upcoming full review. The S10e will have 3100, the S10 3400, and the S10 Plus 4100 mAh batteries. You can pre-order the new Galaxies on the 20th of February, and the phones will start shipping on March 8th. The prices will start at €759 for the Galaxy S10e, €909 for the Galaxy S10, and €1,009 for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Keep in mind that prices may vary depending on the region. If you pre-order the new Galaxy phone now, you'll get a free pair of brand new Galaxy Buds that are compact, lightweight, their sound is tuned by AKG, and they can be charged wirelessly straight from the new Galaxy phone. So this was my first look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy phones. I will start working on the full review soon, so make sure to hit that bell icon to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Now tell me, which is your favorite new Galaxy smartphone? Would you buy Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, or the Galaxy S10e? As always, use the comment section down below, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching, and see you soon.